Alright guys, so in about 2 minutes to 3 minutes, I'm going to share with you guys how to basically earn free token coin with your mobile phone, and this is 100% free. Whenever I get to mention about free sites, I don't expect you guys to think of earning up to like $500, $1,000 in just about a day, alright? You have to put in work, and also you have to be very serious with this kind of project. If you're the kind of person that is very interested in making heavy amount of money online and you want to basically generate big amount of money or big profit, you basically need to work with investment site or other project that can actually offer you high ROI. With this particular project, I've actually tested out and I've been able to withdraw at least over 2 tons from it. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Just give me a little bit of time. I'll head over straight to my laptop right now and I'll show you guys what to basically do. A step-by-step guide on how to basically make use of this website is going to be explained. All I need from you guys right now is about a few minutes. I'll give you guys a few minutes to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also make sure to drop a like in this video. All right, everyone. So right over here is the project I want to show with you guys, and this is called the Tone King. All right, so I've actually been using this project for quite some time. I've also made withdrawal from here. If we go over to my transaction right over here, you're going to notice that I've actually been able to like pull out some withdrawals from here. All right, so this is withdrawal, this is withdrawal, and this is also withdrawal. And this was a one-time deposit that I decided to test out on this particular project. All right, so the withdrawal from here, I was able to make about $5.2. This one was able to make over $6.4, and this was about $0.5. So you can possibly get to generate a whole lot of money from this particular project if you get to utilize it very well. Now, this is something I want to share with you all, and if at any point if it turns out to be a project that you can work with, then you can basically click on the link I'll provide for you guys in the description of this video. Now, this kind of projects are very simple. All you have to do is just to play games. You don't 100% need to deposit anything right here. So the first session is provided. You can come over here, and this is where you get to claim free ton, right? All you have to do is just to do a recap chart, which is going to be present to you. And once you're able to complete your recap chart, then you can automatically proceed and start claiming free ton coin from your own personal account. Now you can get to apply this to any other way you can basically use this kind of project, and it will help you out. So there's a select an object requirement, the foil, and also you can see right here. So we can basically select items, and then once you do your verification, if your verification is correct, all right, that is one way you can basically bypass here. If your verification is correct like this, you can click on the free spin, and automatically this gets to give you a free spin, which will actually in some amount of ton into your balance, which is showing right here. You can see this is the amount that I just in into my balance. Now this can be repeated within some few period of time. All right, for instance, if you complete this one, you're going to see a timer loading right down below right here. Let me zoom in so you can see. All right, so you can see a timer loading right down below right here, which you can basically get to like use this timer to know how to basically come back within the next 59 minutes. You need to come back again and still claim another free ton. All right, the dice section is also be provided for you guys, which means you can also play dice on this particular project right from these means. Right, you can automatically click on the dice section to play dice right from here. It's very simple, works perfectly, and you can automatically apply the dice section to your own account and also get to play. We have the slot and then the mine. Now 100%, like I told you guys, you don't need to deposit any money right here. All right, this is basically for those that are looking for easy ways to make money with the project. You are going to be making use of this project 100% free. You don't need to actually deposit any money. Now, over the past few times, all right, I've actually been sharing with you guys this kind of project. I'm showing you guys how to play these dice. All you have to do is just to click on max, and then you can automatically play the game. All right, now once it lands, you're automatically going to notice right here at the top that my balance is going to be increasing, and that is something that you can use to help yourself. So you can keep your eye on the balance, and if I click on this section again, you're going to watch how it's going to actually load out. Make sure you keep your icon, all right, this particular cursor, make sure you keep this right here on the green section. If this move to the red section right here, you're automatically losing every single thing as long as you click on max. All right, then you have to start all over again. This project is something that you can work with, that you can automatically get to grow your capital step by step. You don't need to be greedy, you don't need to rush, and all you have to know is that the project is not running to anywhere. They are going to stay for a longer period of time, because I've actually started using this project since 2023 and it's still working up to date. All right. Now the slot session is provided, auto session are also still provided, which you can work with. Now, aside this method, you can work with the affiliate programs which are provided for you. From the affiliate programs, you can generate up to 2 ton like I've actually done, and you can basically see right here. By referring people, what they basically just need to do is for them to play games, and you earn from every single person playing game. I've actually had over 260 members referred to this particular project before, and this also add up to my earnings from the project. Right, I've also played game right here to make a whole lot of money before, so you can give this a try and also get to generate money for yourself. All you have to do is just to click on this icon to copy out your invite link, share this to any of your friends, any of your relative, anybody around you that can basically make use of the project. This is something that you can pull out $5, $10, $8 from. All right, it is 100% free, and you can see a whole lot of proof of it from my own personal account. You can apply this to your own account and give it a try. Let me know in the comment section. Like you doing all these, right, playing games and also doing the affiliate session, they have the survey session. Now, if you are new to the system, you basically want to like start making money from the system, right? You have to basically focus on the affiliate session, all right, which is also going to be easy for you. But the survey session is where you get to make extra income. These are surveys which are provided for you, and surveys are very simple in terms of you answering questions. If you get to basically answer some questions from here, you earn from it. All right, so this is one of the easiest projects that I can get to share with you guys. If you're interested in earning free ton, you can give this a try and let me know in the comment section. Hope you're enjoying this video, and I hope it turns out to be something that can really help you out. Peace out, guys.